In this session, we will discuss linked list. What are linked lists? Simply, linked lists are the collection of nodes in which we can define a node as this type of structure, which is having two parts. First part is known as info part and second part is known as next element address, which will hold the address of next element. As we know that linked lists are dynamic in nature, so we have to define the address of the information part at the time of execution only. Now, how we will define the structure of node? So, for structure of node, we will write struct node data type info struct node asterisk next start, which means we are defining the information part in whatever data type we want it. Means if we want integer type of data, we will write here integer. Char type of data, we will write here char, or whatever data you want to write store, you can write here. And the next field will hold the address of next node. That is why we are defining the data type as struct node, so that it will hold the address of the node. Now, one by one, we will discuss the types of linked list. So, first of all, we will discuss the single linked list. Single linked list is a list which is simply known as linked list. We can say single linked list or simple linked list. Now, what is the property of single linked list? Single linked list says that we can traverse only in one direction, that is forward direction, and the last element, the last node of the list will contain the null value at the next address part. So, if this is the single linked list which is having 3 nodes, so we can move in this direction only, and the last node will have a null value at the address part. Now, how we will perform the operations on linked list? So, first of all, we will discuss the insertion operation on the linked list. Now, insertion can also be done in multiple manners. First of all, we will discuss the case insertion at beginning. Insertion at beginning, which means we have to insert a node at this particular position, that is the first position. So, first of all, we have to create a new node, and for creating a new node, we have to allocate the memory. So, with the help of malloc, we will allocate the memory. Now, let us assume the variable new. Now, we will hold this statement will allocate the memory to the new, which is of type node, means the number of bytes which are defined in the structure of node will be allocated to the new. So, after this statement, we will get a new node structure like this. Now, this is the new node. Now, our task is to perform, that is to insert the information at this particular position at the info part. So, we will write set new info is equals to item, which means whatever data you want to store in the information part in the list, you can insert that value at this particular part. Next task is to link this particular new node with the existing linked list. So, what will come here at this particular address? The address of the very first node of the existing list. Now, the very first node address, that is where A is stored, the address is held by start. So start is having the address of this first node. So what will come here? Here will come the address of the starting node, that is the first node, which is held by start. So we will write new next is equals to start. So when we will say this, the value which is stored in start will be stored in the next field of the new node. So after writing this statement, we will have a connection like this, which means now new node is linked with the very first node of the list. But still the node which is having A is the first node of the list, and we have to make this new node as the first node of the list. So for this we have to link this start, we have to give the new address to this start. So for this we will write set start is equals to new. After writing this statement, the value which is the address of new will be transferred to the start. So after this, a new connection will be established like this. So now the new node is inserted in the list. I hope you understood the concept of insertion at beginning. Remaining we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.